This is not an icebox, although it looks like one. It's actually a very early electric refrigerator. This is a Leonard refrigerator, one of the earliest ones I come across, about 1929. These are charged with sulfur dioxide. It's got a belt-driven reciprocating compressor, 1/6 horsepower, 3.1 amp. Pretty robust stuff, very primitive, but it worked. If you do come across one of these things, typical scenario that happens with people is they want to get one running, so they get a hold of the belt, the compressor, and they'll turn that over, and because it's stuck. Well, when it's been sitting for a long time, that seal in there can tear, and then once it turns, you'll get an unpleasant blast in the face with some sulfur dioxide. So if you're going to play around with one of these things, I recommend doing it outside. They can be recharged with pretty much any refrigerant afterwards once it's all rebuilt and put back together, and they'll run.